Hello everyone, my name is Emilia Putri Wardani. Today I would like to share one of my most memorable travel experience. The trip that I want to talk about is when I visited Surabaya Zoo. This trip happened when I went to Surabaya with my family. Surabaya is the one of the biggest cities in Indonesia, and it has many interesting places to visit. One of the most famous places there is Surabaya Zoo. It also known as Kebun Binatang Surabaya, and it is one of the oldest zoos in Surabaya. Because of that, I was very curious to see it myself. When we arrived at the zoo, the place was quite crowded because many people were visiting, especially families with children. Even though it was busy, the atmosphere felt fun and lively. At the entrance, I could already see many trees and green areas, so the place felt fresh and natural. After entering the zoo, we started walking around to explore the different animal areas. There were so many animals that I had never seen directly before. For example, I saw elephants, deer, monkey, crocodiles, and many different kind of birds. One of the animals that caught my attention the most was in tiger. It looked very strong and majestic. Watching the tiger move around this area was really interesting for me. In another animal that I like watching was the monkey. They were very active and playful. Some of them were climbing trees, jumping around, and interacting with each other. It was actually very entertaining to watch them because their behavior sometimes looked funny. Besides watching animals, we also walked through many different parts of the zoo. The zoo is quite large, so we spent a lot of time just walking and exploring. Sometimes we stopped to take pictures together and enjoy the moment. There were also many visitors who were doing the same thing, so the place felt lively. While walking around the zoo, I also noticed that there were many kinds of plants and big trees. Because of that, even though the weather in Surabaya was quite hot, the zoo still felt comfortable to walk around. The green environment made the experience even more enjoyable. For me, this trip was very memorable because it was not only about seeing animals but also about spending time with my family. We were able to talk, laugh, and enjoy the day together. Moments like that are very special because they not happen every day. Another reason why this trip was memorable is because I learned many things about animals. Seeing them directly in real life is very different from just seeing them in the picture or videos. I became more curious about wildlife and the importance of protecting animals and their habitat. Overall, my visit to Surabaya Zoo was a very enjoyable and memorable experience. I was able to see many interesting animals, explore our zoo, and spend quality time with my family. Because of that, this trip is one of the travel experience that I'll always remember. Don't forget to don't forget to visit Surabaya Zoo. Okay, thank you.